Hi all. Last session we learned about the operating leverage. Similar is the concept of financial leverage. Only thing is that the financial leverage, or simply called as leverage, results from using borrowed capital for funding. So this funding is basically for expansion of companies' assets base and generate returns on the risk capital. Leverage is an investment strategy of using borrowed money or so-called debt to increase the potential return of an investment. Company use leverage to finance their assets instead of using stocks to raise capital. They use debt to invest in business operations to increase shareholders' value. But if the reverse happens, that is, if the sales go down for a highly leveraged business, the profit steeply goes down, even leading to bankruptcy. So, as I mentioned in the last session of operating leverage, the effect becomes highly adverse if the revenue goes down. So basically, the return on investment (ROI) shall be more than the interest rate to create a beautiful leveraged profitable business and for a fast growth of the business. Real essays are examples of high financial leverage businesses wherein they have to borrow a lot of cash to keep up the business. Any software business that is an apt any software businesses are apt instances for low operating leverage company wherein it's a service based business, less capital intensive. So those are like low financial leverage companies. So they don't get this effect of doubling the profit with higher levels of debt, because basically they will not require high levels of debt because of the asset light business. So again, you have to analyze this financial leverage of a business, find out how much debt they are having, are they able to service the debt with their cash or cash equivalents in their account or their assets in the account, so that you don't have a bankruptcy or a liquidation problem later on. Happy investing.